In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Wix. To get started, the first thing you need to do is set your business region correctly in Wix. This step is important because your country and currency determine which payment providers are available to you. From your Wix dashboard, go to Settings, then open Language and Region. Once you're there, select your country and your preferred currency. Take a moment to double-check this information before moving on, because it affects how customers will be able to pay you and how your store will process transactions. After that, go back to your dashboard and select Accept Payments. This is where you'll connect the payment methods you want to offer on your website. You will typically see the option to accept credit and debit cards with Wix Payments. If that works for your business, click Connect and continue with the setup. If you'd rather use a different provider, click See More Payment Options to explore alternatives such as PayPal or Stripe. Wix gives you flexibility here, so you can choose the solution that best fits your location and business needs. Once you've selected a provider, click Connect and fill out the required business and banking details. This part is necessary so the payment provider can verify your business and send payouts to your account. Be sure to enter everything carefully and accurately, since incomplete or incorrect details can delay approval. If you are connecting PayPal, the process is usually simple. Just enter your PayPal business email address and follow the prompts to link your account. If you also want to offer offline or manual payment options, Wix lets you do that as well. Under Accept Payments, look for the Manual Payments section. Click Connect, then choose the method you want to offer, such as offline payment or cash on delivery. This is useful if your business accepts cash, checks, or other payment arrangements outside the website. When setting up a manual payment method, you'll be asked to write instructions for your customers. Make these instructions clear and easy to follow so customers know exactly what to do after placing an order. For example, you can explain when payment should be made or what to expect next. Once your instructions are ready, click Connect to save the payment method. That's it. Once these settings are in place, your Wix site will be ready to accept payments in the ways you've chosen. It's a good idea to review everything one last time in your dashboard to make sure the setup is complete and matches your business preferences. Thanks for watching.